I'm Jack, the jack-o'-lantern.
I'm Bob.
And yes, Two Feathers Gallery today has a very, very special tutorial for you. And we're going to learn how to make, well, me. So did you know that there is glow-in-the-dark polymer clay, Bob?
I did not know that.
Well, you should know, because really that's what you're made of. And it's in your eyes, in your nose, in your mouth.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Yeah. That's what I thought.
Thanks for the intro, Jack and Bob. This is Mel from Two Feathers Gallery, and we're rolling an orange ball of clay. My favourite and only brand of polymer clay that I use is Primo Sculpting. Any orange colour will do. Please see the links below in the description box if you'd like to know exactly what I used. And I've taken a needle tool and I'm just marking out the features. You could use a needle that you have around the home or even a toothpick to do this. And then just push through a little bit further just to make a little bit of a hole where those shapes are. And you just need to push down and push out those shapes up to the edges. Until you're happy with it, and then you might even want to use a little bit of isopropyl alcohol, and it works like magic, and it really helps to smooth it out and make it nice and soft and smooth.
Boo!
Next thing we're going to do is to take a cutting blade and chop out a oval of the glow-in-the-dark clay. Doesn't have to be too perfect or anything, just so that it sits about a couple of millimeters in from the edge of your pumpkin. And then we're going to pop the pumpkin face on top of that. Yay! So I'm just blending it in to the pumpkin again with my finger. You can use your finger, fingernails, a needle tool like I am here, or any kind of silicone shaper tool, whatever works for you. I even rolled mine into a little bit of a ball again, you'll see in just a second. And then I just neatened it up a little bit because the holes kind of moved around a little bit. So make an indent on the top of the head. I'm using a ball tool, and then just kind of gradually smoothing it out.
Do you think I have an annoying voice?
Yes.
Oh, well, you're not so great yourself. Really?
Well, it's just a fact.
Oh, a fact, is it? A fact. Well.
And I'm making a smaller indent on the bottom of the head. And then I've taken a needle tool and I'm just running that down from the top to the bottom. You can do the same with a toothpick. Works exactly the same. And just make them, some of them are uneven and lines can go halfway up, and you can have just little bits here and there. I think that Bob's having, he's busting a little bit of a move there. And you can pop it on the front of the face as well. And I've got a teeny weeny tiny little dotting tool, and I'm just going to make little marks all the way around as well, just to give the lines a little bit of variation. So you might want to use the very end of your toothpick to do that, if you wanted to.
Jack, would you like to hear some Halloween jokes?
Oh, yeah. Hit it.
Why was Cinderella so bad at football?
Why?
Because she had a pumpkin for a coach.
Okay, that's pretty good.
Next, I'm taking a little ball of yellow clay. Any light yellow color will do. And I'm just pressing it down a little bit with my bowl tool, and then using a dotting tool just to tease out tiny little sections and just blend them in all the way around. Easy. So I've rolled a very, very, very fine sheet of clay. I've actually put mine through the pasta machine. It's a dark green color, which was a mix of a cobalt blue hue, cadmium yellow mid, and some black to make that color. And I'm just pressing it down with the ball tool just so it sticks.
And, what about this? And, oh, forgot to move. Yeah, here we go, start again. What's up a ghost's nose?
I don't know.
Boogers. Boogers. You seem to like that one.
Now I'm rolling a very small coil and cutting it on a diagonal at the top and bottom before popping it on top of our little star-like shape to make the stalk. And I'm using a dotting tool just to push the edge down so it's bonded really well, and then just dragging the tool up to make a nice stalk-like pattern. And I chopped the stem at an angle. I just liked it like that. Putting on a little cosmetic sponge to sit on, that's what that was. And this is a tile that I used to bake in the oven, and I cut up a little square of printer paper so that the bottom stays matte and doesn't go shiny when you bake it.
I think this tutorial has brought us closer together.
Me too. Now I know what is on the inside of my pumpkin. I wasn't sure before because I am a pumpkin. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I know.
Yum 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 yum.
Nom, 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 nom. Hey, where'd you get all that candy?
I went trick-or-treating.
Oh, really? Can I please have some?
I'm not sure.
Please, please.
I'm eating a lot of it.
But I'm your friend, aren't I?
I suppose so. Here you go.
It's in my nose. What are you doing? It's stuck. What am I gonna do? Hey, you got some on your tooth. Anyway, we hope that you enjoyed this tutorial and that you like and subscribe to this channel if you did. And I think that it's pretty cool. So Yeah. Anyway, we're gonna go now.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you had lots of fun. See you in the next one.
Still in my nose. Don't know how I'm gonna get it out. Ah.